Join me, Commissioner Larson J., as I spend the day with one of the many small businesses that make up Knox County. This is Knox Jobs. All across Knox County, whether it's a warehouse, a factory, a place where you eat, or a place where you shop, there is air moving all the time. And that's why we're here today at Volunteer Mechanical to learn how we keep you cool in the summer, warm in the winter. Let's go meet the team. All right, I'm here today with Charlie Wood, owner of Volunteer Mechanical. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your company.
So we were founded in 1992, and we specialize in commercial industrial HVAC.
HVAC unit is put in, but you got to figure out how to move that air, and that's where your team comes in.
Right. Yep. We install the units, and then we take it from there and build the ductwork, install the ductwork, commission the equipment and the control system.
And everything comes raw material to sort of finished, fabricated, customized for every building.
It's never how it seems exactly on the plans. There's other trades have conduit in the way, plumbing in the way.
So you got to be able to adapt on the job and on the site, just to the specs.
Exactly. Our team does a great job of that, of getting out there in the field, seeing what we've got to go around and avoid. And so we get those measurements, we come back in our shop here, and we fabricate the ductwork from there, and then we return and get it installed.
So what are we going to be doing today?
So we've got a job site we're going to go to. We've got a few finishing touches to put on today. So we've got a couple ductwork connections to make, a couple grills to put in. We're also going to run the condensate drain off the unit.
So the building's almost ready, but until we get this last part done, nothing's happening.
That's right. It's on you to make it happen.
All right, let's get to work.
All right.
I'm here with Jonathan. Thanks for having me on the crew. Standard HVAC unit for an office building. I see some of the ductwork is in, but what are we going to do first?
First off, we're going to measure up this, we call it a canvas connector, that's going to connect the two pieces in between here.
So we've got our lower bit that goes to the unit and our upper bit that feeds the air to the offices, but we got to close the gap.
Yep.
All right. Making a canvas connector.
The canvas connector goes in between here is
Oh, the flexible.
yeah, it's flexible here, so it stops the duct from vibrating.
We've made a box. So we're just welding these two pieces together.
Correct, yeah.
Weld on the other side. How'd we do?
Looks good. Looks good.
All right, we're done with the ductwork. The canvas connector is in. It's all insulated, wrapped up tight, nice and sealed, and we're going to move on to the drain because every HVAC unit has a little condensation, but you can't let it spill out on the floor. Okay, done with the drain. We now have our condensation drain. We have our clean out. We have all this going. into our floor drain, which will be put in by the next crew. On to the next job. Well, those are the steps to the second floor, but these are the steps today. So in every office building, you're going to see main lines, but of course, off those main lines have to be trunks that go into each office. Inside of each office has to have an input of air, a return, and then an output of air. So I'm here with Brad. Brad and I are going to put the trunks on, put the input and outputs, put the grills on, and get this ready for its sort of final finish.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see it happen.
After you throw the tape on it, you just hit it with the squeegee, flatten it out, make sure it sticks.
So I'm outside now with Jonathan, and the unit is great. It's in place. We got the inside unit insulated. We got the drain plug in, but nothing's going to happen unless it can talk to each other. So tell us what we're going to do on this next section here.
So now we're going to do our low voltage or communication wire.
So everything from the control system to here, this tells this unit what to do, but we got to make sure we make the connection.
Right.
All right. Doing pretty good so far. I mean, I have hooked up the unit. We're going to put it under pressure with some nitrogen, so that sounds kind of cool. And we've done a little bit of everything on this job site. It's actually a pretty cool place, and a lot of goes into just basic HVAC, which you know, you kind of don't think about it until it breaks. All right, Jonathan, what are we doing next here?
All right, now we're going to put nitrogen in the system through the refrigerant lines. All of our copper is done, and this is just going to tell us if we have a leak or not. And it also dries out the moisture in the line set. We'll let it sit for about 30 minutes, make sure there's no leaks. If there is a leak, we'll have to fix them. But if there's no leaks after about 30 minutes, then we'll let it sit for 24 hours.
We're all done with our jobs. Jonathan, appreciate the help. We did the canvas connector, we did the low voltage, we did the drain, we did the ductwork, we did a little bit of everything. How'd I do?
Done
Got to
good,
report
done
to the
good.
boss here.
Yeah.
So, all right, so any chance of a job in case this whole politics thing doesn't work out?
We'll have to check on it out there, but you know, we'll
That's a no.
we'll give you a hat so you can represent.
Appreciate it. Well, thank you very much. Look, I have a great respect for you guys, whether it's hot outside, cold outside. You're working 24/7, making sure everybody is comfortable. So really appreciate the opportunity to be here today.
Absolutely. Thanks for working with
You
us
bet.
today.
Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next Knox Jobs. Do you have an interesting Knox job? Get your business featured by contacting me at larson@larsonj.com.